I do that. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already subscribed and seen me, which is not many people. I'm really close to 200 subscribers, by the way, which is freaking awesome. But this video was initially going to be a all the fruit trees in my yard video, and I'm thinking I'll add that intro in, but it did change into a day in my life, so this is pretty much a day in my life video, what I do in a day. Kind of changes sometimes. This is just a really long day, so I thought I'd film it for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jo, and welcome back if you've watched my videos already. Today I'm going to film a video about all of the fruit trees that I have in my yard. I initially thought this might be a very boring video idea, but I know for me, coming from California, I didn't know what like a mango tree looked like, or like a banana tree, and I also have a bunch of other fruit trees that are native to Jamaica, so I just thought it would be cool to show you guys what they look like and what kinds I have in my yard. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is this one. I turn this around. Right there is a banana tree. Here's how it looks when we get a little closer. Banana tree. Looks like this. These big leaves. There's another one over there. You guys can't see it. But I have a whole lot of banana trees in my yard. I can't even count how many there are. There's just like a whole bunch. So that is the banana tree. The next tree I have in my yard is this one that's right above me. This, guys, is a tree that's native to Jamaica. It's an ackee fruit tree. None of the ackee fruit right now are ripe. That's a bad shot. Yeah, none of the ackee fruit right now are ripe, but when they are, they sprout open, and a lot of people use it here for the popular Jamaican dish called ackee and saltfish, and it's like a breakfast dish that a lot of people like to eat. And yeah, it could be like an alternative for like eggs, and to me it's pretty alright. Alright, the next tree that I'm going to show you, I showed you guys the banana one, the ackee fruit one, and I do have a lot of ackee trees. There was one behind the banana tree if you guys saw it. But the next one I'm going to show you is this one, and this is a breadfruit tree. Let me get a good up close shot of the breadfruit. This is the breadfruit tree, these are breadfruits. There's another one. Ooh, let me not die. Quickly. The breadfruit tree, I don't know how to explain it. People roast breadfruit and then you like can fry it, and to me it tastes like a potato because you can put salt on it. It tastes like potato to me. So that is the breadfruit tree right there. We have a lot of those in the yard. The next tree I have is this huge one right above me, and it is a mango tree. So I'm not sure what type of mangoes grow on said mango tree. Let me unblur this. That is mangoes right there. I'm not sure what type of mangoes grow on this tree. There's a bunch of them growing. The lighting out here is horrible. But let me show you guys over here. Watch out, puppies. And hopefully you guys can see some of them. Those are the mango trees. So we have more than a few of those in our yard. This is the one that's closest to my backyard though that I could show you guys. I'm going to show you guys the other ones in a bit. These are all also mango trees. That's mango tree, and that's mango tree, and I can tell because of the leaves. I've seen a whole lot of mango trees here in Jamaica, so that's how I know they're mango trees. So they're there. So this is also a breadfruit tree. You can tell because of the leaves. They have the same leaves as the last one, but this one doesn't have any breadfruits on it. Not that I can see. I think they're growing still. More breadfruit and ackee trees. It's hard to tell because they don't have any growing on them right now. There's an ackee tree over there. You guys can see the little red ackees on there. Now, pretty easily, you can barely see them. There's some mangoes right there where my finger is pointing. This is a mango tree. There's a whole lot of mangoes growing on this mango tree, but my camera does not like the lighting. There's a mango tree over there as well. You guys can see the little tiny mangoes growing in the distance. This lighting is bad. Okay. One of the next, I think it's one of the last fruit trees I have in my yard, and it's my favorite probably, is this one. It's not a tree. I think it's more of a bush for sure. But we have these. It's a little pineapple bush. I think the correct term is a bush. I have a whole lot of pineapples growing in my yard. Here's one. If you guys have never seen a pineapple bush, there's one. And I have another one right over here. This one's much tinier though. And then I have some bigger ones I'll show you. The other pineapple bushes I have. And then this one has 2 pineapples growing on it. So here's the pineapple. To the grocery store, and I'm about to buy some things. I just devoured that patty, guys. I used to not like patties. I thought they were really gross, but the beef and cheese ones, those are the best kind. I know people are gonna probably look at me really weird because I'm talking to my phone, but I'm doing it for the vlog, so like, subscribe. Usually our diet is very healthy, so I know y'all saw those cup of noodles and y'all like, hey, those are bad. Listen, my mom wasn't watching when I picked them up, okay? So had she been watching, that would have been a different story. But this is what we have so far. These are cran waters. These are so good, guys. I literally cannot stress how good they are. And then we have some bread, and we have a few other little things because we're taking a wrap taxi. What's that?
creamy wheat.
It's cream of wheat?
Yeah. But
Oh,
it's a
wow.
different brand, so I'm gonna get this small one and see how it comes out.
Looks like cream of wheat.
It looks like creamy wheat, but can't.
3,707
$3,700.
American dollars.
4,000. Thank you.
How much change did you get?
250, 80 something.
Right, and it starts pouring.
And I'm like, Aaron, give me your jacket. He's like, but I don't have a shirt under here.
And he has to walk in the rain without a jacket on or a shirt because he decided to do that. You guys can see I am all home now. I actually filmed the intro and the outro at the same time because the intro that was filmed way earlier today, I can't use it anymore. Or I might, I'm not sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A for my next video, or I don't really know. I mean, whatever you guys want to see. Comment down below and let me know. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys